Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in the USA. First, you'll need to set up your free account. This involves providing your email address and creating a secure password. Once your account is active, link a funding source like your bank account or a debit card. Verifying your identity is a crucial step, as it helps increase your transaction limits and enhances security for all your financial activities. It's a straightforward process that ensures your account is fully functional and protected. Sending money through PayPal is incredibly simple. You can send funds to friends and family by just knowing their email address or phone number. When making purchases, select the Goods and Services option to benefit from PayPal's Buyer Protection Program, which covers eligible items. Always take a moment to double-check all the transaction details, including the amount and recipient, before you hit the send button to ensure accuracy. Receiving money is just as easy as sending it. Others can send funds directly to your PayPal account using your email address. For even quicker requests, you can create and share a personalized PayPal Me link. Once you've received money, you have the option to keep it in your PayPal balance or transfer it to your linked bank account. These transfers usually complete within 1 to 3 business days, making your funds readily accessible. Keeping your PayPal account secure is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication. This adds a vital extra layer of protection. Be extremely vigilant against phishing attempts. PayPal will never ask for your password via email. Always access your account directly through the official PayPal website or app. Regularly review your transaction history to quickly spot and report any suspicious or unauthorized activities, ensuring your financial safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.